Okay. I'm Justine.
I'm Bryce.
And today...
This is Jackass. That was not a funny joke.
Welcome back to MTV Cribs. We're making a gingerbread train. Here it is. Not yet, but here are the pieces. God, they know.
We know you've heard of a gingerbread house. So what the fuck is this?
Is it a train?
It's certainly not a house.
It might be a train.
Was this at least cheaper than the house?
Oh, there wasn't even a house option.
Pretty psyched about it. Does it run?
We'll find out.
No.
Back to you, Jeb.
Hey, I'm Jeb.
Wow, thank you.
Weather's great. Back to you. Man, I'm glad that segment's over. Let's just jump right into it. Oh.
Sure, what do we got?
So glad my IV drip finally came.
Yeah.
I won't.
Yeah, don't open that yet.
I was...
Okay, those are the piping tips for the icing.
Cool. I shouldn't open stuff immediately. I shouldn't.
Wait.
What's up?
Yeah, definitely do that.
Okay.
I just got excited about these. We got gumdrops.
Yeah, they're gonna taste really good.
Little balls.
I think eating this is the last thing to get excited about.
I don't want to eat this at all. If I
We're
want to
definitely
eat
gonna
anything.
have to.
Yeah.
That's the finale. We're not just gonna build a good-looking train. Like, that's not gonna happen. So for their excitement, we're gonna have to take a big old bite out of it.
And there are some sprinkles. How do I make the things that I'm saying?
You got it. Ask away.
I want people to stop rolling their eyes when I talk.
Okay.
How do I make that happen?
Give me an example of something that makes some eyes roll.
We got icing. This is our foundation.
Is it like a stage? Like, do you want... I think we should do this as the base.
Hell yeah.
I'm like kind of an innovator. It's not a big deal though. It's like whatever. Really good.
Those are some wheels. Don't break them.
These are...
Did we break them apart?
These aren't wheels, right?
Those are wheels.
No, we don't break them apart. How do you know? Can we get the picture back? Where'd that go?
I threw it?
Oh yeah. That was really fun. Oh shit.
Oh no, now it's under the couch.
Oh, it's over here. Oh.
Okay, now it's under the couch.
Oh, I guess we do.
We do.
Take them apart.
Yeah, they're coming apart for sure.
I
want to try.
Here's a crazy wacky idea. Let's not build a train. Let's build a fucking mech. Like a transformer.
Oh, I know what you meant. At first I was worried that I didn't know what you meant, and then I figured out what you meant on my own, and I was very proud of myself.
Are we building one? Or do you want to totally kill my buzz?
I guess we're fucking...
No. Do you want to make a train to see if we can do it?
No, I like your idea.
Sick.
But here's the thing, is that it has to look good.
The mech? Alright. Give me some time. I want to examine the pieces. To
That's what I was going to say. Do you want
see what I can drum up. Okay. We're definitely making a mech.
Yeah, but...
And I'm going to draw his face on this, which is his helmet. This is his helmet.
Okay.
See how it's like a face? I mean, there's not a face on it yet, but like, there could be.
You can make a mech, but the parameters are...
Wait, what
it smells
the
so good. These are the only pieces you can break apart. Everything else. I want the train pieces...
Preserved? Oh, so we can, if it doesn't work, so we can do a train.
Well, no, actually, okay. And you're also allowed to snap this off of here if you need just a rectangle.
Mm-hmm.
The reason I want to do that is because limitations stoke the fire of creativity. That was pretty good.
acknowledge it. Is that not a quote? Was that an original?
It's a remix of an old idea.
Okay.
It's a hot take.
It's good. I just thought
it's a fresh perspective.
Yeah, it is. Hell yeah.
Wet and wild.
Check out this sick mech. So I'm gonna draw his head, which would it's pretty. When you think mech face, it's a pretty clear image that comes to your head.
Yeah, you know the one.
And I'm gonna translate that onto this piece of gingerbread. So like metal plating.
I have high hopes.
So we're gonna do square eyes. Oh shit, this is dope. Yeah.
That looks fantastic.
Right? Oh yeah, one eye down. Now I'm gonna do one that looks exactly the same, but on the other side.
It's time for a snack break. Welcome to the snack break.
I'm not excited for this part.
On today's menu, we have roasted seaweed, sea salt flavor.
Because we all love chugging seawater, so why not eat it too?
Bryce has never had seaweed chips, so this is going to be a bit of a horizon broadener. Right?
Oh boy, my horizons are gonna get so broadened.
Get ready for a new landscape.
If this smells anything like it tastes.
Nah.
Cool. This is an entirely new texture and flavor to me.
Horizons broadened.
Oh, it's new and like wrong. It gets like gelatinous at the end.
Yeah.
That's awful. Then it's like my mouth goes, it's either going all the way in or all the way out. But this cannot stay here. Do you know what he means?
Yeah. It gets slimy again because you're just rehydrating it. You're turning it back into seaweed in your mouth.
Does not go with the tea. We're learning a lot today.
I thought it would go really well.
So far, we've got a face that used to be good, but now is completely botched. And actually, that's it.
It's not too late to go back to the train.
Do you mind? My mech is not looking so hot. And I'm thinking, it'll look like a dope-ass train.
Are you saying, do I mind going back to the train? Or are you saying, do you mind, as in like, fuck off?
Oh, what did you want?
I want to go back to the train too.
Let's fucking do it. We're gonna finish off this mech. Just kidding, we're gonna do the train. 1. Icing preparation. Remove pre-made icing from kit. Knead icing pouch for 60 seconds to a soft texture. I want you to put a clip in there of that girl just finger stabbing that shit. Nothing about that was pleasant. Alright, I guess you're done with step 1.
I'm currently doing, please don't rip it in half.
I'm doing, my hands they're their own thing, you know? I had no idea that was happening. Okay, you ready for step 2? Getting started. Your train kit includes cookie pieces to build a caboose and an engine, or a mech, but it's whatever. Gently break the pieces apart on the solid lines to separate.
Oh.
Keep pieces grouped together for the caboose and engine to make building easier.
Yeah.
Is that me?
Mom?
Oh my god. I was genuinely concerned for a second. Oh, in Cartoon Network match? My free gift is ready. I started a new puzzle game. Step 3. Preparing the caboose. Oh, it's ready. Is it?
We need this.
I almost, for a funny gag, for funny buffoonery earlier, I almost stepped on it. It would have been hilarious. Would have been a brief sound of the crunching plastic, then like a giggle from me, the one who stepped on it. Then it would have been over. Almost wish I did it.
What's step 3 again?
Preparing the caboose. laying the four walls of this car.
I can't get this lid off.
Is it a nozzle? Does the nozzle go on top of that or something? Is it like a weird mechanism?
I don't think so. Yeah.
You need to lay the four walls. So step 4 is gonna be.
Oh my god, we are not even done with step 3 yet.
Well, there's only 8.
Did you not see me just struggle for 9 days?
I felt a lot of tension from this side of the couch. And
Sorry.
I wasn't super sure what to do with it. Oh god.
Oh, because it's open.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Can I have like a little bit on my finger as the official taste tester of the team? Also, we should trade.
My hands are so weak. Something's not right.
Here.
Oh, I forgot to cut the tip off with scissors.
I didn't know that was a part of the step. I've never cooked in my life.
Do you have scissors?
Yeah.
Do you have real scissors? Better not have any of those fake scissors.
Oh. Did you say ice cream scoop?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yes. Oh, hell yeah. You're getting industrial scissors.
Just the tip. Oh, sorry.
You know what? It's fine. I'm not even gonna do it.
It'll be obvious how you're supposed to cut this. Then you just cut it right there.
Oh no! Okay, so new plan.
Do you wanna
I exploded. Oh. It's fine. Everything's gonna be real sturdy. I am assembling the caboose. Oh, this is some dense. Oh no! Oh no!
I really wanna help, but I'm not sure how. I'll do this one. How about that?
This icing is so sweaty because my hands are so sweaty.
That is fully okay. I expect
Here you go.
nothing less.
Just make sure that the flowers are up and facing up.
Oh yeah, no,
Or
that's my first priority for sure.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because it's the shape of the. Oh, you're holding that?
I'm holding what?
I mean, okay, not right now. You know what? Hey, icing. What is up?
Oh, this is so. Ugh.
Were you about to judge this icing because it's so sweet? Oh my god.
Do you want me to take over?
No.
I'm on the way.
I don't think you can save this if you try.
Get your grubby little fingers out there.
My.
Okay.
My god.
My god.
That's working great already. What goes in the front? Where's my neck head going?
Why don't we have any more pieces? Wait, we're missing a whole. Oh, shoot. Yeah.
What have you done?
I found some more pieces.
Organization was step 2. This is fine, right?
You don't need icing in the middle.
Oh.
Just the edges.
Okay. I should wash my hands.
Yeah, you should.
Alright. So, are we still definitely a no on the neck thing?
Yeah. We can barely.
Well, it's not too late. You're right. You're right.
I need you to hold
Yeah.
this here.
This is fucking teamwork. Oh shit, it's a 3D front.
Yeah, this whole thing is actually pretty 3D if you, I don't know, look at it.
Crazy teamwork.
Oh shit, I'm punching in the front of the train. Shit.
She's don't bump my elbow.
Oh, this is so not structurally sound. I want you to not look at the front of the train. Remember that decorating you were talking about? Yeah, I'm already on it. We've got some serious texture. Oh, we're
I
gonna.
want to clean. Oh my god. If I saw something like that on the train tracks coming toward me, I would be way more scared of it than a real train. That's like some horror movie twisted mind shit. Breathe. This is just for show, so it doesn't have to like. My neck head! What are you doing?
It goes on the top, where the head always goes.
You're right. Thank you. I mean,
Oh my gosh, we don't have enough icing left for the wheels.
I think you used all the green on the fucking one tree. Are you out of the white? Ooh. He says as he sees the carcass strewn out on the table.
This is.
Just a husk.
Did I just break your table?
That would be. No, you're fine.
I don't know if you're being honest or not. I hear you talking to the camera.
What is it saying to you,
It's
Bryce?
saying you owe me like $300.
What is the table saying to you, young man?
No,
It
it's just.
has a different message for him.
I'll be
Come
honest.
on.
I don't usually listen to things when they talk to me, but
You don't listen to what?
stuff when it talks to me. You know, like furniture. This is like when
How
stuff.
have you been, little boy? I've missed you dearly.
Oh, it's at the table.
You don't ever visit me. I feel used. I feel used, young man.
Just you? It feels like you're okay though, right?
Oh, I'm fine, young man. Don't worry about
Justine?
me. Don't worry about me.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
You're 23. I keep finding more in here.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. There's plenty for 2 trees. I mean, no, not anymore. But I was finding like plenty for 2 trees. Oh shit! It got on my pants.
Oh, we need to decorate.
Yeah, no, for sure. This tastes so bad.
It's
I did not know what to expect, but it wasn't
better or worse than the seaweed chips?
worse because this is supposed to taste like something. That's all new. That's its own thing, for sure. Some people will love it, some people will hate it.
I'm only decorating where the white cement got smeared because we don't have any more.
Okay, you can poop and scoop over here.
We can what?
And I feel like that's what you want. Building a gingerbread anything to feel. You got some on your teeth.
Oh,
All up in them, actually.
I can't do anything about it until I'm done. You'll bear with me.
It's fair. I'll see if I can hear the transformation from dry to gelatinous. This one's got snow on it.
Snow what?
Snow what? Yeah, snow what? What? No problem. This one's actually looking pretty Christmassy.
That's what I did.
Okay. I also did it.
I made it look Christmassy.
Yeah. You added the ornaments, and I brought the tree to life in giving it, pine needles. Wow. It's pretty crazy.
It's not a Christmas tree until you put ornaments on it.
It is whatever it is, it's my art.
I'm just saying, like, there's always room for improvement.
You're right. Thank you. And then I did this one alone. And it's snowy. We really did. We really built something here.
Yeah, we did. You're right.
Yeah. We really did. We really did build something here today.
Now let's talk about how to build your relationship with the Lord.
We can find a metaphor here, right?
I built this gingerbread house, bitch.
And then a train.
Talk to Jesus. Oh, a train. I made a map.
Yeah! Oh, it's a fucking mech! Look at that shit. It's just pre-transformed.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
I have to talk with my mouth open. It's for the essence of time.
Yeah, just do. Maybe go up and show it to them?
I got it.
No, I got it.
Maybe we got it.
Stop it.
It's the Christmas train. Look, it's just like out of the Bible.
We ran out of white. The situation.
Just like in the movie.
Just like in the yeah.
The Christmas train.
That was like the spin-off of the Bible. Ow, what the heck?
Yeah, no, it's. I don't know if they super
Dense.
expect you to eat it. There's something beautiful about this. The hood is so cool looking.
Wait, where's the... Oh. It's, quite the beast.
It's like a Tim Burton prop.
ASMR corner.
Oh wow! So much detail! It makes
I'm getting goosebumps.
It makes my ears tingle! Well, that was weird.
That was...
I wanna, like, ASMR is like, I wanna picture the two people sitting right next to each other. Like, the person is just making the noise into that person's ear.
Oh. That's
good shit.
There's some now that are women biting things and then chewing them.
Because it's a good sound, right? It's just a good sound.
Okay.
Are you into it?
No, it's such a bad sound that I don't want to hear.
I don't. It's like the squishing thing. It's just too sudden. It's like I know what it sounds like, and it's gross.
Yeah, but people think that it qualifies as like a relaxing ASMR subcategory because...
Oh, those people, they're wrong.
Yeah, just because it's a sound that's done next to a microphone.
Yeah, there's like this whole weird crowd that doesn't understand ASMR at any level. They just know that it is a thing, and they want to make that thing. So then they just punch Play-Doh in front of their camera, and they're like, people are going to love this. It's my own little take on it.
Hot tip.